Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js Mailchimp. Today we are going to learn about how to update the merge field using the patch method. So basically we have the address, we have rest of the details when we try to fetch the data. So you can see that the address part is empty, phone and the birth date by default. So how we are going to update that one into with the help of the Node.js and the Mailchimp API. So we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed yet, please to subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So let's create the file name was update merge field.js. So let's copy this and add it. I'm going to create a new file first, not like this. Okay, let's put the code. So this is update part. So let's add it over here and just make a word wrap. Okay, let's fill the details, your API key and the list ID. So here we have API ID and the list ID, API key and the list. Okay, so here we want what we want to update. You can mention the email also here. So I want to update the email from the previous one, that is this one. So I want to update this record via email. I can also update the records, right? So here I just put my email. Okay, then which want to update? So here you need to pass the address one also. So address one, I can put it over here. Address one, so 15 Chandigarh, address two near police station, city Chandigarh, and state would be Chandigarh. Zip we will put at, okay, and the country would be IN. Okay, phone I will just update 2345678910910. Birth date, just leave it. Okay, so here we have the calculate the MD hash of the email address, the same, and here we have to put the API URL. So just add the API part. So here we have to update the API. Okay, and then check Axios patch merge fields to update. Header we need to pass, so let's copy this header. Authorization, and here we go with that one. Okay, done. Next, merge field updated successfully with the response data, else it will show the error, that error updating the merge fields. Okay, then we are calling the update merge field function. Save this, try to run. Okay, so let's see. So here we go with this one. Node update merge field.js. Previous it was empty. Let's see the data is updated or not. And here we can see that address one, address two, address this, and the phone number. Okay, and here you can see that the merge field updated successfully. Let's check the audience. So here we have the all contacts, and we have updated the data of the Magento developer part. So here we have the contacts, and this is on the top. You can see that address part is again visible, the phone number part is visible. You can see. Now we can see that the address and the phone number is also updated. Okay, so this is how we are able to update the merge fields with the help of the Mailchimp API in Node.js. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.